Find the solution set of the following linear inequations graphically. Okay, let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll first consider the linear inequality 2x plus 3y greater than or equals to 6. And then what we'll do, we're going to convert it into an equation. To convert it into an equation, all we have to do is take the inequality symbol, which is less than or equal to in our case, and we will replace it with the equality symbol. So this is going to give us an equation now. This is an equation in two variables, x and y. Now, for this equation, we're going to consider 2 points. So let's say when we consider x to be equals to 0, then the corresponding y value that's going to be equals to 2, which means that 0, 2 is going to be a solution for the given linear equation. Next, if we consider y to be equals to 0, then the corresponding x value that's going to be equals to 3, meaning we have another point 3, 0, and that is also going to satisfy the linear equation. Now we are choosing these 2 points because we are going to plot them on the xy plane and join them to get the straight line, which is going to be the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Similarly, we can consider the next inequality 3x plus 2y greater than or equals to 6, and we can also convert it to an equation. All we have to do is replace the inequality symbol with an equality symbol. So for this, we're going to get 2 points. One is going to be 0, 3, and the other point is going to be 2, 0. So let's plot these 2 points on the same xy plane and join them to get the graph of 3x plus 2y equals to 6. For the remaining two inequalities, we have x greater than equals to 0 and y greater than equals to 0. If we convert them to an equation, so we have x equals to 0. So x equals to 0 corresponds to the y-axis. And we have y equals to 0. So that is going to correspond to the x-axis. Okay, now let's come back to the inequality. We choose the first one, 2x plus 3y less than or equals to 6. What does this mean? Now that means we see here that 2x plus 3y equals to 6, this particular line divides the xy plane into two regions. One region is going to lie above the line and the other region is going to lie below the line. We're going to consider any point on the xy plane, and the best point to choose will be the origin. So if we choose the point of origin, which is actually lying below the line 2x plus 3y equals to 6, and substitute it into our inequality, then we will see that at 0, 0, our inequality is going to become 0 less than or equals to 6. Now we need to check whether if it is a correct statement or not. Yes, that's a true statement. 0 is indeed less than 6. So we can say that the region below the yellow line, which includes the origin 0, 0, that is going to be a solution. Or we can say that's going to be the solution set of 2x plus 3y less than equals to 6. Coming to the other point, 3x plus 2y less than equals to 6, we are going to choose that same point 0, 0. We'll again substitute the value. We'll see that 0 again comes out to be less than or equals to 6, and again it's a true statement. So here also we can say that the region which lies below the line, that's also going to be a solution set, because 0, 0 is satisfying the equation 3x plus 2y less than equals to 6. Okay, now when we have x greater than or equals to 0, now x equals to 0 means it's the y-axis, and x greater than 0 means we are to the right of the y-axis. We have to consider the region that is to the right of the y-axis. Okay, and we have y greater than or equals to 0, so we have to consider the region which is above the x-axis. So that is going to give us all the values of y that are greater than or equals to 0. Now we can combine all the region, or we can say we can find out the common region, and that common region is going to be this particular shaded region, because this region satisfies all the 4 linear inequalities simultaneously. So let's verify that. So in this region, this includes the point 0, 0, and this region is also going to lie below the line 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Fine. Then if we consider the pink line, which is the 3x plus 2y equals to 6, then this also, the region also contains all the values of x which is below the line. Then x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, that means we are in the first quadrant. So this is going to be the common solution set. So this is going to be the solution set.